Hey everyone, Dining with Anderson Ford Motorsport here. Today's product spotlight, we're going to be featuring our new product, our new CMCV IMRC delete plates for 2018 plus intake manifold installs on any 2011 through 2017 Mustang GT. Now these are a must-have if you're going to be swapping an 18 plus intake manifold onto your 2011 through 2014 Mustang GT. And if you plan on deleting your IMRCs completely from your 2015 to 2017, you can use these plates as well. And it will reuse the factory retaining screws that held on the old IMRC CMCV plates. The kit comes with new washers to have the screws retain the plates on, therefore you never have to worry about these things backing off. The 2018 Mustang GT intake manifold is a very popular upgrade for all 2011 through 2017 Mustang GTs. If you're interested in doing one of those intake swaps, give us a look at AndersonFordMotorsport.com and pick yourself up a set of these awesome delete plates today for your ride. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.